North Pine River, and it's extremely high tide today, and I thought I'll go up the stream as far as I can get from Lace Park, which is in Wharton, and it was going nicely. And here now I am at the spot which is like there is a stream which is quite shallow, and I'm trying to navigate and see, but I don't think I can get through, so I'm going to actually stay here and see what happens, just to the motor is slowly spinning, so I'm just basically stationary in the stream. Okay, so here we are in the stream. It's quite shallow, so I'm not going to risk it to get through further, because chances are I would get bogged in the weeds. And once the propeller gets caught in the weeds, even though they say it's a weedless motor and propeller, I'm not gonna trust it. So great experience today on this little kayak, solar powered kayak, as you can see, and we are going back. I thought I would get further all the way to the dam up the stream, but yeah, the water would have to be much higher, and I think this is the peak tide anyway, so I don't think I would be able to do it. The bridge is coming up, so I have to lean down, and let's see how we get through. I have to take the hat off because I might get caught somewhere, and I don't want that. Oops, I better slow down here. Okay, and down, and down, and we are through. Let's go! I've seen on the way up there was some shallow section here with a lot of gravel. Oh, we are scraping just gently. Oh no. Okay, let's keep going. Oops, that's upside down and the other way. And we need this so my solar panel doesn't get overheated. And let's go. Full throttle. Oh yeah. Now it's nice and fast, because on the way up I was going against the tide, I believe. But now it's better, easier, quicker. It's not about speed, it's about the enjoyment here. There's another jumping fish here. Shame you missed it. And so did I. Very nice.